Actually, today we are trying to make an awareness video about the plants that we receive, that the customers receive through the courier, and what to do after receiving the plants and how to take care of it. Generally, when we send bougainvillea, we have to reduce the soil, and it will come in a packaging like this, in a black polythene. Okay, so few mistakes that you don't want to do is, you don't need to open it right away, the packaging, this black packaging. You need to stabilize the plant. After receiving it, just dip it into water and keep it in a shady place for 1 day. Let the plant settle first from the damages that the plant has gone through the courier. Okay, and during the courier, and after that, what most people make mistakes about is they pot this plant in a bigger pot, like 8 inches, 10 inches. What we generally typically suggest to customers to use small pots. This is a 5-inch pot, standard size. Use a 5-inch pot or a 6-inch pot, not more than this, because as you can see, roots have been cut down to get a packaging like this, because we can't send the plant with the whole potting, yeah, whole root ball with the soil, because the courier charges will be higher, and shipping companies handle the plants very roughly. So if we if the plant goes upside down, the plant might get damaged. The So first thing is, when you receive, you just stabilize it for 1 day. Second thing, just there will be a rope like this. You need to cut it with a blade, or you can open. After opening, you will see a root ball like this. Let me show it to you. Yeah, as you can see, new roots are growing. Okay, small roots after receiving the plants. Okay, because old roots were cut, and these new growths can't take too much moisture. So what you need to do is, specifically, first, you don't need to break the root ball. If you break the root ball, then the plant will definitely get damaged. So you will pot the plant in a pot of this size, 5 to 6 inches. And there I can see, and many people, what they do is, sometimes they pot in a bigger pot, and the grafting section goes under the soil media, and that is not expected. That is not the right process to do. Where most customers make the biggest mistake is, they pot in a bigger pot. Even the grafting section sometimes get inside the soil media, and that is like a suicide for a plant. That will definitely kill the plant in a 7 days or 10 days. uh, as of our nursery, we provide replacement, and as you know that these plants are very costly and very valuable. So replacements from our end is also tough, but we try to maintain a good relationship with our customers. So we provide replacement anyway, but not all the nursery does in the market. So sometimes it goes out of the customer's pocket, the replacement plan. So you need to be very careful about these things. The second thing I was talking about is was potting it in this
Potting and potting media.
Yeah, the potting mixture is very simple. It's just sand and yeah,
It's normal garden soil.
plain garden soil. Different type of soils are available in different places. Just use plain soil. Don't use any kind of fertilizer in it. Okay, and it's a very simple step. You don't need to worry very much about it. Just mix the sand with the soil like a plain mixture. Okay, because you need to grow these small roots. Okay, these roots needs to be matured before they get enough moisture. Okay, just place it like this and fill it with the potting media that you have made.
One thing here, after this potting this plant, we need the put any fertilizer or not?
No, the first watering will be with humic acid and hydrogen peroxide 6% solution. First fertilizer that you will use is hydrogen peroxide 6% solution, 1 ml in 1 liter of water, and humic acid 2 ml in 1 liter of water. Just mix those in 1 liter of water and water the plant with those mixture. Okay, and after 15 to 16 days, when the plant is stabilized, you can see enough roots in the plants, you can just pot it into a bigger pot. Like you can go for 7 inches, go for 8 inches. Okay, and uh, one more thing, after this potting, okay, after this potting, you have to, I didn't use too much water. Okay, just the right amount to make the media wet. Okay, and then I won't be watering this for another 3 to 4 days.
4
It will
days.
be kept in a shade, okay, so that plant gets out of the stress. That
And settle the soil also.
Yeah, it will settle the soil, and after 15 to 20 days, you can pot it in a bigger pot. Okay, that is not an issue. And the next few things that I can, tell, I have seen many customers complaining about the media. They don't available. They don't get it available. Okay, like they don't have normal gardening soil available at their place, so what you can use is cinder. Okay, I won't suggest for a very hot weather the cinder potting mixture. The first choice will be soil, vermicompost and sand, and vermicompost should be properly decomposed, not raw cow dung or any kind of raw material should be there. It should be
Because of the
properly,
salinity matter.
yeah, because if you compromise with those factors, it will definitely rot the roots, and you can see the bark of the plant will be, starting to get rotten. Okay, and the second most important thing is, for fertilization, always prefer, I generally prefer the mixture of, organic fertilizers. Okay, like bone dust is here, horn dust is here, and there is mm, uh, there is some super phosphate you can use, as you can see these white grains. Okay, and apart from this, what you can use is humic acid every once in a week. Okay, and master cake powder is also a must, but don't fertilize any bougainvillea plants in monsoon. Okay, in monsoon only use humic acid, like if 15 days or 1 month once. As you water the plants, just mix 2 ml or 2 gram of humic acid with every liter of water that you are going to use, and water the plants normally. Okay, bougainvillea doesn't very much large quantity of any fertilizer, and chemical fertilizer will make the plant very weak, definitely, and in monsoon you won't be able to make those plants survive. Okay, and for reporting, I'll suggest to our customers that reporting should be done from the month of March to June and October to November. And when you are doing the reporting, you need to prune the plants first and then go for the reporting.
Okay.
Okay, just don't normally report them. And the cinder media, as I was suggesting, cinder is a very good media for the people, who have no choice of keeping the plants in a shade. Okay, because cinder uh, sometimes helps to get reduced. You won't get very much fungus in a cinder form. Okay, so plants have better survival chances, but cinder has higher maintenance. So whenever you are going to pot in cinder, you need to water the plants during summer more than twice sometimes.
Yeah.
And you can't keep it on the roof. Okay, you have to keep it on the ground, because cinder will heat up, the pot will heat up, and the plant will stop its growth.
Yeah.
Okay, whoever is going for terrace or roof gardening, they should always prefer soil garden, collect gardening soil from anywhere. Use 50% of gardening soil and 20% of vermicompost and 20% of sand and 10% of chips of cinder, just to make the soil porous. Bougainvillea likes porous soil. And again, I'll repeat myself that don't use too much fertilizer, chemical fertilizer. You can use organic fertilizers once in a month, okay? And fungicide every 15 days, okay? If you want to use good fungicides, costly ones, there is Mary one that is very costly and very effective. And if you want to go for cheap products, cheap and useful that will do the job, then it is SAF, Bavistine, those type of fungicides you can avail at any kind of fertilizer stores nearby or online even if you want. Just use 1 gram per liter or 1 ml per liter, okay, with the water solution and spray it. And that's it. I think if you have any kind of query, I have seen many collectors making the mistakes that I have stated in first, and their plants died. Sometimes a plant that they brought like for 4,000 rupees, 5,000 rupees, I generally don't hold the replacements, but not everywhere you are gonna get the replacement. So these basic knowledge is you need to apply. Just never pot in a bigger pot. And secondly, if you have any further questions, you can go into the comment section of this video, and we'll get back to you. Till then.
Another one thing I asking to you.
Mhm.
Sometime customer are asking for the this those kind of the fertilizer. How they
Actually,
can get?
in Orchid Garden Nursery, we sell these fertilizers, these mixed fertilizers. There are 12 to 15 ingredient in it, and we have the right proportion of it. You can get into any of our sales numbers that is provided with the video. I think Jayaprakash or Showman Kara. You can contact any one of them and get it as you purchase any plants. Okay, and we have this available throughout the year. Whenever you want, you just can call us and order the same.
For the fertilizer, you can contact the
Hmm.
on the video mobile number.
I think you guys enjoyed the video. For any kind of information, uh, or you if you want to get in touch with us, just go into the comment section, or you can call him.
So you can call us for the any kind of problem and we'll have you with us for the further. Please watch the video. Thank you.